Next up, Laura Deas of Great Britain took her first ever World Cup medal last time out in Calgary in Canada. Named Female Sportsman of the Month for December. Until this morning's race, she held the start record here. Let's see if she can go even quicker. Yes, she does, 5:41. That's a sensational getaway.
That's remarkably quick.
Well, Laura was the first out of the start shed this morning, and then saw Marina Giordani of Switzerland break her speed. Now a 5:41 is the new start record.
Looking smooth and easy on the track. Carrying that speed from the start down the track.
Oh! Now somebody has dropped one of the little paper fans that the school kids had into the track. That is the sole disadvantage of being able to get so close. She could ask for another run. That would be after the final slider has gone. And in fact, she may well want to. The problem is, she will have to throw away this run. She's only 200 in front. So now here's the call for Eric Benotas. Does he go and demand another run? Does he want to talk to the athlete with the coach at the bottom on the radio? And how long do they have to make that decision? No question, within the laws, she is allowed to do that.
I've never seen that before, and I've been sliding for a while. I've never seen something in the track during a race like that and an athlete hit it.
Well, we had bobsledder Nick Cunningham ran over somebody's hat in the track in Lake Placid. Kaylee Humphreys dropped a hooter into the track in front of a Canadian sled in Koenigsegg a couple of years back. But it's just a folded up paper fan, and there it is. And she can see it clearly, do nothing about it.
From it. Yeah.
Trying her hardest. Look at the gouge it leaves on the ice.
Yeah, it makes her skid the entire way down the straight.
Nevertheless, Laura Deas is the leader here with 10 to go and some question over whether she will try another run at Altenberg.